Now we all know that Ceramic Pro works on cars, but did you know that we have an entire line for the marine industry? My name is Dave with Ceramic Pro Marine Division. We're here in Chula Vista at the Marine Group Boat Works. Ceramic Pro marine products are designed to withstand the harshest environment while being formulated to permanently bond to gel coat or marine paint. Ceramic Pro Marine is going to help you with UV protection, the hydrophobic effect. Algae is not going to build up on the boat. It's not going to connect to the pores. It's going to give you better fuel economy and overall better top speed while making the maintenance on the boat a breeze. Ceramic Pro Marine coatings have been proven on surfaces that are exposed to deformation, flexibility, such as a fiberglass hull. The marine coating won't crack or flake like your standard acrylic sealants. This will allow you to apply it to multiple surfaces, including upholstery and roll-up enclosures. As you can see behind me, we're currently working on a 132-foot sailboat. The captain's main concerns were the oxidation in the hazy surface, along with all the staining from the exhaust and the algae on the finish of the boat. Process on this, we would wash it, decontaminate it, compound and polish, strip all the compound and polishing oils off, and then apply the coating. That's going to make sure that we have a permanent bond, and it's going to last for a very long time. From jet skis to yachts, Ceramic Pro Marine is your solution for keeping your investment looking new always.